as far as the body construction is concerned, we can tell civil engineer, madam. And apart from that, neurons and all working of the neurons, we can tell electrical engineering.
Okay, electrical also
Electrical
is
and
connected.
electronics.
Okay,
Yes.
somebody, can you explain electrical engineering in your body?
Neuron connection, madam.
Yes, Rajvardhan.
Every second, there is a neuron connection in our brain. That is also considered as electrical engineering.
Okay, which are, yes, Raj Sahu?
Ma'am, all type of engineering and some are yet to be explored and beyond our imagination. Those fields are yet to be explored. But what kind of engineering are there in the world? All kind of engineering are sustained in our body. Apart from that, some are yet to explore.
No, but you tell me the names of the engineering.
Like,
yes,
chemical engineering is also there in body.
Electrical engineering, ma'am.
Chemical engineering is also there in body.
Anil told this or Hari told?
Hari.
Hari, chemical engineering. Very good. Come on, tell me what type of chemical engineering is there in the body?
Human body produces hormones and it reacts to the body whenever some fluids or it has a mechanism to react to fire. So by that, like we can say, like it has a chemical engineering in our body.
Chemical engineering. Somebody else.
Computer engineering.
We can say
material engineer also.
Ma'am, computer engineering.
One more, chemical engineering.
Only chemical first. Yes.
Ma'am, computer engineering. It is our master brain. It is at...
One second. I am talking about chemical engineering in the body.
Yeah, insulin. As we can say, insulin.
Yes.
Our body's pancreas produces. So what we say? Produces this insulin in order to maintain the balance in the blood in sugar level.
Okay. Yeah. What other chemical engineering? What do you think about the stomach?
Acid to digest the food.
Very good. Something else in chemical.
Digestive enzymes.
Satyamurthy. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. If I am getting any injuries, I am falling down, and then if it following some days, it will be very cured. That level of chemical or engineering.
Something else about chemical engineering. Yalla, on the track. Come on.
Yeah. Many glands produces the
body. I'm not talking about plants. I'm talking about your internal
glands. Internal glands.
Okay.
Produces pituitary glands. Whatever it maintains the entire body structure. This is what we can find it.
Okay. Some other chemical engineering.
Ma'am, folic acid through our sweat and urine. Folic acid.
Very good. Something else about this chemical engineering in the body?
All this iron, calcium, everything is required for the body functioning. So we need iron, iodine, calcium. So all these things, if it is on the in the proper level, only then the body will function.
Divya, just now you were talking about computer engineering also.
I would like to add, madam.
Yeah.
Our body. I have forgotten this. Dopamine. The brain.
Yes.
Dopamine, serotonin, and these are produced by our mind. So in order to enhance the happiness feeling, in order to reduce emotions.
To balance the emotions. If it goes little bit out of control, more or less, immediately it affects our body. Divya, I want to know what you were telling again and again about computer engineering. Come on.
Computer engineering in the sense, our brain is the best calculator, and all the functions starts from brain. So that is the best computer of the in the human body.
Not only human body. Robots are also created by human being only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So our mind is the most important one.
Our brain is mixed with emotions as well. But whereas for robot, it is based on the instructions it will act.
Correct.
Yeah, one more thing, madam. If you throw the object towards you, and that will suddenly reflect back.
Action.
that suddenly gives message to that particular organ. That is the super
And
thing.
it's very fast message.
Very fast. Without a
Very,
fraction
very
of second.
fast.
Without a
That
fraction of
instant reaction action.
yeah.
Okay. Gaurav,
Yes, ma'am.
very silent.
Yeah, so I believe like many have discussed about chemical engineering and everything. I think there is material engineering also. So,
Tell.
so in the sense like our body, bone structure and everything is become like there is a matrix, there is a reinforcement, like RCC cement is there, no? So like that, the bone will be the reinforcement, and there our muscles are like surrounded by the like which keep the bones together.
Yeah,
And
one more thing. We
it
have a joints. We have a joints that
1
lubricates.
minute. Lubrication is already there.
Yeah.
yeah.
Lubrication is there. They are not stitched, but there is lubrication that gives movement. Something else. Did you ever think about your body in this manner, what you are thinking today? Did
No,
you
madam.
ever think about your body in this way, what I am asking you today?
No.
No, ma'am.
What
Even
sort
we
of-
don't know.
No.
what
Actually,
are-
I am very happy that I know that so much things are there within me.
Correct.
Means everyone.
Copy?
No, even we don't know what organ, how it helps us. We don't know. Even we are very curious to know how our digestive system also works, how it produces, how the waste coming out of our stomach. All these things we should aware. If you are aware, then only you can take the right food for the easy digestion. Everything comes
Actually,
out.
to be very honest, we never
Each and
thought
every
about knowing our body.
One more thing, madam, I would like to add. We
one
know
thing.
everything. Yeah.
1 minute,
Each and
Gopi.
every
Let him continue. Don't interrupt. 1 minute, Gopi.
each and every health issues will come out of your colon health.
Why is your hand not moving?
Yeah, the health issues will come out of your come out from your colon only. If you keep your colon clean, then you will be healthy. That's what my feeling is.
I would like to add, madam.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Yes.
Hello. Hello, madam.
I can hear you.
We know all the things about the entire world. We don't know about enough information about ourselves.
That's the
When we
beauty.
when we
That is
don't
the beauty of human being. We see far off things, but we never try to peep inside and see. That's the beauty of
Because
human being.
if you
what
don't
We
they
have
are
a
ignorant
understanding,
about our own self. We see everything around the world. He, she, but we never try to know what is within us.
we
That is
need to
the
explore
main thing I
ourselves.
wanted to
We
focus
need to
today.
we need to explore ourselves
because
in order
Yes,
to
never sat
because
down for a few minutes to think.
because of not aware by many people they drink more and more and spoil their internal organs, right? If anybody of us that they won't booze, even they won't take much the liquor and all to spoil their internal organs.
No, the best
You-
part is today I have triggered this fire in you. Now, we never thought of this. The problem is we never thought of it.
yeah,
We
madam. I
thought
would
that here, there, everywhere. Never thought to look inside, look within us.
yeah. I would like to add one more point, madam. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. So Arjuna nailed down in front of Krishna. What is happening with me? And he says that you should control over your the what we say indriyas,
Emotions.
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 I mean the organ,
And
whatever information getting into your organs, that should be maintained. That should be organized in order to live fruitful life. The
live,
organs
live.
live the systematic life. The organized the information is coming through our organs like eyes. So
Everything. We have spoken about it. Hirobit.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think about this? More engineerings. We have only spoken about few engineering department.
Biotechnology engineering.
Acha,
Biotech.
biotech. Bahar, tell me how.
So here we use we are studying about the drugs we use, the medicines we are trying to create, the genetics, how it plays. So
What is DNA?
DNA is a nucleic.
I don't want the typical definition of DNA. What is DNA?
It carries genetic material to one generation to another generation, madam.
Yes.
The memory from which is inherited from your
Ancestors.
old ancestor, yeah. The memory which is inherited from your ancestors.
And what type of chip, memory chip is this? That even after death it does not get burnt or buried. What type of memory chip is that? Even if you break it, khatam, the man is khatam. The person is totally finished. What type of memory is put in that chip? That it carries after death also, in next generation.
Yes, yes.
Shiva, ennama? Surprised by today's topic.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm just thinking like how the DNA is a wonderful thing.
See, 1 minute. My granddaughter has never seen my father. Okay. But she has that DNA in her. My father passed away in 2001. How many years?
Around
23.
10, 20,
23 years.
23 years before. But today also she sits and like my father. The way she interacts, I can see. I can match it. And there are some words, particular words in Hindi which she speaks like my mother. We never speak that word. She says, batiyao, batiyao, batiyao. Batiyao matlab, keep on talking, gossiping. Batiyao, batiyao, batiyao. I just connected. She has not heard this word in the house.
I would like to add one more point, madam. Human being has produces body. Our body produces blood. Nowadays, people are searching for the creating blood. They cannot create the blood. They are dependent on human beings. That is one thing, isn't it, madam? Blood cannot be produced by any chemical method outside.
Okay, something else?
Ma'am, one engineering is missing here.
Abdul now. Yes, Abdul.
So one engineering is missing here is structural engineering. All the bones are such designed with only structure. One structure, suppose your hand is broken, so you can't run. So suppose you are leaning, so one structure such a design ki you can't
like
fall
this,
down.
like this. All the structures are in that way. See the spinal cord. What do you learn from the spinal cord?
You cannot replace that particular organ or
Wait, Rajvardhan, wait. Give chance to others also. Yeah, Shiva. Nobody speaks.
Yeah. So that is our like a backbone. This thing like it
Backbone is very important. Spinal cord is very important.
Yes. It gives more support on our body system. So that is
body system. And what do you think about the left brain and the right brain? Anybody? Chalo, I'm talking not about any knowledgeable item. I'm talking about yourself.
Ma'am, we don't know, ma'am, how it functions, ma'am, what activities, what roles and responsibilities.
Hey, what is this type of talking here? Like an old Buddha.
No, ma'am. See,
Marella type, you all talk like this, yeah?
No. There are certain functionalities the left and right brain will do, but those information I don't know, ma'am. That information
because we never wanted to know.
We never wanted
we
to know.
We were busy. अभी share market कितना में है? This we want to know. But we don't want to know about the entire khajana, treasure which is inside you.
We should know actually.
Madam, left side and right side, two sides are there in brain. Once left side will respond to all the responses. Another one will try to capture all the data. What I read from the book.
Yes. And which type of brain, which side of brain works more? We people, like we only, which side works maximum?
Left
Right
side,
side.
ma'am. Left side.
How? Divya?
Yeah, ma'am, I have heard that people who are using their right hand, their left brain will be very sharp. That's what I heard. I don't know whether it is correct or not.
Never tried to find out?
I haven't. So
Okay.
they will be more intelligent. That's what I've heard.
Oh, but I have heard that those who write with left hand or those who are ambidextrous, they can write with both the hands. Ambidextrous, they are also super brain then.
Yeah.
In one movie, what was the name of the movie? With that fellow, Dean used to write.
Three Idiots.
Three Idiots. Three Idiots.
Three Idiots. He was able to write with both hands. And there is a school at present in India that trains the children to write with both the hands at the same time, two different languages.
Oh my God.
Two different. Just imagine the power of the supercomputer. Nobody can make it. Okay, now what is the sum total? Why did I take up this topic? Did you all enjoy this? Because now we have done 1 hour full.
Yes.
Did you enjoy? How did the time pass? We didn't know. Did you enjoy this?
Yes, ma'am. We
One more thing,
enjoyed
madam.
it, and
Yeah, Satya?
yeah, I mean, myself, I enjoyed that. I know lot many things what inside means what we actually may know, but in group, some things I never heard and something very interesting which when we are talking about.
Correct.
One more thing, madam.
If you see one injured person, then you will come to know, oh, this is the backbone fracture. By seeing, then you will be scared. That is the reason most of the people do not know about their organs.
What was my purpose of taking this stupid topic?
I was wondering, with this topic, we may not, means if I was about to choose this topic, I'll think that there's nothing much to talk. Everyone knows what is there in their body, and maybe we have to wind up the session maybe in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But there were many points which has come up, and 1 hour just passed away within seconds.
Same, I was thinking same.
One more thing. I would like to add, madam.
I can't.
Actually, ma'am, I was thinking. Yeah, I was thinking same things. It will take a 5 to 10 minutes to know your body, but I don't know it will take 1 hour.
This is
And one
God.
thing we are missing here.
Now listen to me in balance 2 minutes because much time is not left.
I would like to add one point.
Yeah.
In order to win the world, we need to win ourselves. You should know ourselves, our body.
So you cannot do Rajvardhan at any cost.
We cannot
win over anything.
We cannot replace that particular organ. We should take care of
Nothing
ourselves.
can be replaced.
Because if you take
everything has an important role.
Yeah, if you take a teeth or something, it produces certain kind of secretions that helps us to digest. We cannot replace.
1 minute. Like old people. Some people don't like to put denture. Abhi, I am not talking about implant and not bakwas it is. My mother made her roots only, she had no teeth. She made her root so strong, she could eat any damn thing with her only gums. It was so strong. No teeth. साला मूंगफली को चबा जाती थी. And for everything she used to say, Bhagwan ki den hai ye. Now do you know why I tell you all, thank you God and love you God? Am I wrong or right?
Yes, ma'am. You are
God
right.
is yours. Religion is yours. But thank you God and love you God. Banta hai yaar. Isn't it? It is necessary that we should say. Everything works systematically in self-disciplined way. Heart does not say, oh, I'm so tired, I want to take rest for half an hour. Mind doesn't say, okay, in sleep, you do anything to me, I will not respond. Pancreas don't say that I'm going for leave for 1 month. See the self-discipline and learn that self-discipline, children. It's all inside you. It is not written in any book. Nobody has written this in any book. It's all within you. And God has given you that power, that inside you He has fitted. There is no substitute of that. But we are very intelligent, na? We are very intelligent. We are very chalu also, cunning also. Understood what was my purpose today?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, listen now. I am not there. I've told you all before. I lost, my husband won. I tried to convince him, but my convincing was not so strong. Then I thought that, okay, in family, we have to do some adjustments here and there. If today I wouldn't have agreed with him, tomorrow can't be mine. I won't be able to control tomorrow. So please by heart the vocabularies. I'm not there. Please write it down. Write it down. There is no class on 13, 14, 15 and 18. There is no class, exact dates I'm giving, 13, 14, 15 and 18. Rajvardhan, you are in charge of Shiva, Gopi and Abdul, taking them together for internal GD.
Yeah, madam.
Hirobir, you are in charge of taking Anil Kumar, Gaurav, of course yourself also, Gaurav and Ashik. He is my Ashik. Ashik means lover. Okay.
Yes.
Hari, you are in charge of taking care of Dilip, Divya also, Sahu and Satya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Gaurav, you go with Rajvardhan's group. Anil,
Yes,
you go with Hero Beer's group. Dilip, have I given you somebody? Yes,
Yeah,
or no?
with me, ma'am.
Okay. Now see
Hari
that this does
Shekhar.
not. Yeah, anybody I have missed out?
No, madam. No.
Yes.
I think Gopi you missed.
Gopi I have not missed yet.
Gopi in
I
our
already
group.
told Rajvardhan, Shiva, Gopi.
Gopi in our group or?
Yes,
No,
yes,
with
Raj.
Rajavardhan.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
I
Raj,
want
Rajvardhan.
you all to do the internal GD.
Ma'am,
4
make a
internal GDs are needed. Yes, Abdul?
ma'am, make a single platform for our GD, because if you're making a group, nobody is joining. So I think 7:30 we will join
If
a
I
single
make a
platform.
single platform,
Yes.
how many will respond?
So ma'am,
Yeah,
hardly.
we used to before.
Do it
We
at this time only, 7:30 to 8:30?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Generally, we are protecting, ma'am. Last time also, when you went on vacation, we in the same
We using the
7:30.
same platform.
Okay.
Hardly 10
So
people
I'm
used to
done.
join.
I have no problem.
Yeah.
And folded hand again, I request you all. Communication skill, two things are necessary: vocabulary and information. And personality development, two things are necessary: your thought process and self-discipline.
Okay.
All right. Whatever you all have spoken today, I'll be posting it. Not in the group, in my Facebook or anywhere.
Okay.
So I'm
Madam?
telling you all before. Anybody has any objection?
I would like to say, in this, the whatever we have, whatever has been floated, can you please identify the mistakes and could you
Mistakes,
please send it?
Rajvardhan, nobody made mistakes. Rajvardhan, you were not trying to give chance to others.
Yeah, it's totally dominating all over. Respect the
You
others.
should not be so dominating in group discussion. You must
very
give
quick,
chance to others.
very
This shows your
language.
interpersonal skills.
Any grammatical mistake?
No, grammatical mistakes were not there today at all. Excepting this Raj Sahu, huge, this fellow only was making one or two, this Ucharan mistake. No grammatical mistake. Okay. So see you all on 19th now. I'll be returning on 18th night. Okay. I don't know about the timing and all, but I'll take class on 19th. I'll try my level best to take. So 19th you all come. Say your prayers. Now when you say thank you God and love you God, you think about what all He has given you and then say thank you God. Nobody will ever talk on this type of topic in any group. Okay. So thank you children. Love you all. Take care. Learn the vocabulary. And Gaurav, you write the homework in the
Bro.
group.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Thank you all. And when you all are having the group discussion, you add my name in case I'm in the train or bus, I'll try to pick up. I should be added. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Love you
Thank
all.
you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank
journey,
you.
ma'am.
Thank
Happy
you.
journey, madam.
Happy journey.
Happy
Say
journey.
happy darshan, ma'am.
Happy dancing.
Happy darshan.
Where are you visiting, madam?
Abhi
Where are
to
you?
first I am going to Murdeshwara.
Murdeshwara temple.
First one is that.
Gokarna,
Balance we have
Murdeshwara.
24, 26 were going, now 2 have dropped out. So 24 of us are there. All young people. See, like this I get the call. Tan, 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 they are doing the GD. Okay? Bye children.
Bye.